This is an endoscope, a borescope that you can look into any areas that's very difficult to see around corners and so forth. So you can get pictures, video, and more. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside. We have little locking mechanisms on the case. You simply slide out, lift up. Everything is nicely packaged for you. We have an instruction guide that goes over the unit in detail. We have a charging USB-A to C cable. We have the endoscope cable that's flexible. It has a light and the camera covered with a tip of silicone. You have additional tools to use in the case on the side, and the 5-inch handle and screen and unit. A 4,000 plus milliamp battery, 6 hours of use, allowed to charge unit for the first time, and you're able to use charging while using the unit. When you turn the unit on, it's going to ask you an important message to insert the camera, that you're simply going to align the plug and you're going to push in and screw. The cable has a camera on the front and on the side. It has LEDs around the cameras. On the side, one single LED. So what we're going to do is turn the unit on, and the unit is going to say 1000 endoscope. Going to show the camera, and if you want to switch the angle over here, you press the button once. It rotates the camera to the side. Press it again, and here to the side, I'm on the front camera. Now you have a different number of things on here that you can go through. If you press the bottom button once, it brings you to the resolution. You press the OK, you have 2M, 1N, you have 2M, 1M, and VGA. You have the up and down arrows that you can scroll and change things. To get into the camera, hit the orange OK. If you want to change the date label, you go down to the date label. You can have it on and off, and the date label will be down here. To back out of it, just simply hit OK again, and then go down to the shutter sound. This will beep on and off. To back out of it, hit the cog gear again, and you get into the auto power off, languages, date, time, format your SD card that is included on the side over here with the reset button. Continuing down, you have default the settings, how much internal memory the unit has, the version, and back to the auto power off, and then back to the main screen. The M button changes from camera, video, playback. You have this button that represents a light, and that shuts the light off and on in front of the camera, as you can see here. On the back of the unit over here and over here, there is a light. As you can see, the light go on and off. It is automatic. Over here is where you would take your photo and video. So if I was to take a picture, I would hit this button once. You hear the snap of the shutter speed, and I could go into the unit, and there is my photo. As you play around with the unit, you'll figure out how to do different things with it. I could back up and go forward. I could see the date and time and everything was taken. If I hit the gear button, then I'm able to delete and protect the file. Press OK to delete, press down to delete all, and press OK to delete all files. Now that we've gone over the unit, let's go over and see what this unit could do on a car or any other thing that you can put this cable through so you can see what you need to see. I'm looking to see if my drain is clogged. And I am recording. And we can look at the inside of our drain on the computer. We're going to switch cameras. And we're going to zoom in. And we're going to take a picture. I want to see inside my tailpipe. I need to look behind my area. Then I can simply look in and try to figure out what to look for. Endoscope, a borescope, can be taken anywhere, very portable, to look at electronics, to drains and sewers, and more. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.